I just lay down and cry, and then suddenly it's over. Creative block is called block because it is literally a building block. Do you get it? Like the Legos that you have now, it's a creative block. And when you're having one, that's when you know you are up for something great. It was tiring, extremely professional, and then it was also very sweet because of the bonds that I made. It's always patience because you really have to sit through and you have to take criticism very constructively. Some people are not going to like your design or maybe have something to say about it that you will not like, and at that point you really have to calm yourself down, step back and try to understand okay, this person is saying this and why that person is saying that. You really have to sit down and understand that. I will redesign every safety manual that exists, every one of it, because it is really important. It can literally save lives. And it's always interesting to have something, visually appealing to read on an airplane when you have that, safety guidelines. Okay, build as if you have to build this way and then whatnot. It's really not interesting right now. It's very boring to see. So every safety manual in the world, I would love to redesign them.